Shalom to the Lord's leg out there. It's gonna be Psalm 51 and 10. Just create me a clean heart, so me create a clean soul. Oh, you help and shine your words within me. Cast not away my presence, and take not spirit from me. Restore to me the joy of the restoration, and a holy free spirit. Into Psalms 103, verse 3. It says, who forgive all disease, and who heal all diseases, who do love instruction and come kindness, 10 mercies. That's Matthew's 4 and 4, Proverbs 30 and 4, 30 and 8. Leviticus 13, 14. Love was located in man's possibilities. And shall thy life calling for heat with salvation. Once again, Matthew 4 and 4. Proverbs 30 and 4, 30 and 8. But he answered me and said, it's written, man shall not bread but bread alone, but by every word saith me Yahweh, Once again, Proverbs 30 and 8. Move far from me vanity and lies. King from riches, feed me food good unto me. It's the word which is the word sketches which my shag. Verse 34. Who hath entered heaven, or ascended? Who against his fist? Who bound one his garments? What is his name? Mr. Hell, but Meshach he exists. What stuns me, and I can tell. So seems how I shy. Every word which I pure. He that shall trust in him. That's Proverbs 22, 1. Goodness I am chosen, rather riches, in my favor. Goodness I am chosen, rather than riches, in my favor. And silver and gold. Verse 4, 5, Judgment verse 6. Choose ways to go when he's young, and go out and close with no power from it. Skin of faith, my sugar, spoiled mind. Hebrews 11, 1. Now faith so sinful for is not seen. 2 Corinthians 4 and 16. For she cause faith not, but the blood of man perish. Yet there remaineth per day for affliction, which is for but for a short moment, but for us more eternal glory. All which not seen, which is temporal, which not seen eternal. That's can we fit under Yeshmashak. And that's the pursuit once again to teachable that's and judgment of the Mashal. Someone was looking there. Says that's once again sign crying to Lord Demerge Mashak day and night and day. Joshua 8. So this book of law should part the mouth. Bless my turn day and night. That was search of those in there. This book of law should part the mouth. Bless my turn day and night. The message that message to do. Also right there and financial prospect success. Not many be strong with courage, but not afraid. You mean but it's made for the price with the rest of the goal is. And this was good once again to a bow. Give the Lord no rest to return with the fame, praising shall honor once again as Romans 13:11. A lot of times that I took a sleep for not as a solution and believed. On this episode was once again Isaiah 13:6. And what's my spiritual at times, and I shall bless her other strength with desperation of fear over treasure. That's a shout to look out there. That's a teachable, that's just more than